होती है हाँ।
We can share this one.
लड़की होती तो मैं शेयर कर लेता कोई प्रॉब्लम। थैंक यू। तो वैसे हम लोगों ने आपका पेट भर दिया है, लेकिन वैसे आपका पेट भरने के लिए फिर से OMG ये मेरा इंडिया सीजन 6 आप लोगों के सामने लेकर आ रहे हैं। ये बड़ा अच्छा लगता है एज अ होस्ट शो का। मैं अलग अलग शोज पे जाता हूँ, जैसे अभी बिग बॉस में गया था मैं अपनी सिस्टर को छोड़ने, तो मुझे बड़ा अच्छा लगता है जब सलमान सर कहते हैं बिग बॉस सीजन 13, कोई कहता है ये सीजन 10, तो हम भी सीजन 6 लेकर आए। वेरी सक्सेसफुल शो OMG ये मेरा इंडिया के लिए फिर से जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं। और मैं आप लोगों को प्रॉमिस करता हूँ, मैं आप लोग हमेशा आते हैं, हर साल मैं आप लोगों से मुलाकात करता हूँ इसकी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस पे, तो मैं हमेशा प्रॉमिस करता हूँ कि हर साल आपको नई नई एक्साइटिंग चीज़ें जो हैं वो हम लाकर देंगे। और ये ऑडियंस तक आने से पहले, मैं इसका पहला ऑडियंस हूँ एज अ होस्ट। जब मुझे इसकी स्टोरीज में सुनता हूँ, जब मैं अपने लिंक्स पढ़ता हूँ, तो मेरे साथ हमेशा अपर्णा होती है हिस्ट्री टीवी 18 से, तो मैं हमेशा अपनी स्क्रिप्ट देखकर यार कहता हूँ माय गॉड यार ऐसा कैसे हो सकता है अपर्णा, दिस पॉसिबल। तो ऐसी एक्साइटिंग स्टोरीज जो मुझे बहुत एक्साइट करती है। और मैं जब अभी रास्ते में आ रहा था तो गाड़ी में एक चीज़ आई वाज जस्ट थिंकिंग कि आई हैव डन सो मेनी शोज ऑन इंडियन टेलीविजन, मोर देन 20-25 शोज, बट OMG ये मेरा इंडिया, दिल से कहता हूँ दिस इज वन ऑफ माय फेवरेट शो। OMG के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां।
So you're about to start season 6.
Season 6.
Did you ever think it would be so successful, so popular?
Yes, we thought that.
Reach so many. Of
Yeah,
course.
we did. जब हमने इसका पहला सीजन किया था, we did the first season, and the response we got. मैं हमेशा जब भी बाकी शो शूट करने जाता था, I was shooting in Delhi, so for one of my film. जब मैं फिल्म की शूटिंग करता हूँ, किसी और शो की शूटिंग करता हूँ, people come and ask, अरे कृष्णा OMG की शूटिंग चल रही है, OMG की शूटिंग चल रही है। तो मैं कई बार ऐसा हुआ है, मैं शो का नाम नहीं लूँगा, वो हम लोग एक मंच लगाते थे और समझ ही गए, बोल ही देता हूँ इंडिया बनेगा मंच। तो जब भी उसकी शूटिंग हमने ऑल ओवर कई स्टेट्स में की, तो जब मैं स्टेज के ऊपर खड़ा होता था, जब सामने 50,000 ऑडियंस होती थी, तो वो सब नीचे खड़े होकर चिल्ला रहे होते थे OMG मेरा इंडिया, OMG। और वो नेटवर्क वाले सोच रहे होते थे यार ये OMG तुम्हारा कितना पॉपुलर हो गया है, ये हमारी शो की शूटिंग चल रही है और लोग चिल्ला रहे कि OMG मेरा इंडिया। सो वी न्यू कि दैट्स गोना बी वेरी सक्सेसफुल एंड सून ऐसे ही कोई और क्रूज पे होंगे, अपना 10th सीजन भी अनाउंस कर रहे होंगे। ये मेरा और आई थिंक चैनल का भी कॉन्फिडेंस है। हमारे बॉसेस, मेरे लिए आप कम तालियां बजाइए, सो सॉरी मैं कंटिन्यू कर रहा हूँ। मेरे लिए कम तालियां बजाइए, हमारे जो बॉसेस हैं, हमारी जो हिस्ट्री टीवी 18 की जो टीम है, अविनाश सर, अरुण सर, इन दोनों के लिए एक बार जोरदार तालियां हो जाएं। और हमारी पूरी टीम के लिए, क्योंकि ये टीम इतनी मेहनत करती है, ऑल ओवर ट्रैवल करना, इतनी नई नई स्टोरीज ढूंढना, टैलेंट को ढूंढ के लाना इंडिया में, इट्स नॉट अ जोक। और ऐसी नई नई इनोवेटिव चीजें, मतलब हैट्स टू द होल टीम, फैंटास्टिक जॉब, फैंटास्टिक।
Krishna, thank you so much. Congratulations to you and your success. I hear there's a movie coming out very soon as well, and all sorts of fun things happening.
Got released today.
Today? Wow, fantastic.
Very tensed. I don't know the collections. I'll get to know it tomorrow.
One last question for you. With OMG, how many people are you actually touching with your show? How many millions or billions of people?
Billions of people. हमारा जो शो है कई लैंग्वेज में डब भी होता है, और इसकी रीच, अगर रीच की बात करें तो पूरे वर्ल्ड में ये शो पहुंच चुका है। सब लोग इस शो के फैंस हैं। लॉट ऑफ किड्स, मुझे बहुत सारे किड्स मिलते हैं। माइक का कुछ करो ना यार। अच्छा, मैं मेन बात करता हूँ तो जब मैं चिल्लाता हूँ तो सही आता है, अब मेन बात करूंगा तो बंद हो जाएगा। ये कोई दूसरा नेटवर्क कर रहा है।
Thank you very much, Krishna.
Thank you.
Now, as the entertainment director here on board Karnika, my name is James. It's very important for me to get certain particulars correct. So this next gentleman I'd like to introduce has quite the title. So I'm going to just refer to my sheet of paper for a second. This is the managing director of A&E Networks ITV 18, also the CEO of Network 18. So without any further ado, please welcome Mr. Avinash Kaul.
जोरदार तालियां अविनाश सर वेलकम सर थैंक यू फॉर हैविंग मी ऑन तेरा सर को एक माइक हेलो हेलो हेलो
Thank you, James. I think we started this journey about 4 years back, and like Krishna said, there was always the feeling that this is something that's going to continue for a long time. We are very, very, very happy that we are now in season 6, and it's always special when you hear your own voice on the mic. What I meant specifically was in 4 years we have reached 6 seasons, which is normally not the norm, because normally all shows end up doing 1 season in a year. So we have done 6 seasons in 4 years purely because of the response that we've got for these shows. And in every episode, we cover roughly around 4 stories. Every season has 10 episodes. So more than 240 odd stories is something that we've already covered so far. If you look at the media landscape in India, I mean obviously India has around 198 million households having TV. There are more than 224-hour news channels. But there is no one singular show which stands out for bringing a whole lot of positivity and the great things that happen in this great nation of ours. So this was one attempt from HTTV-AG to come out with inspirational stories of people around us. We've always heard stories about what people do internationally, what they have done in different continents. We've always read about books of those individuals, but there was never actually a chronicling of the achievements of Indians. And this show was set out to do that. It eventually will end up being perhaps, when it crosses season 10, season 20, become a definitive source of all that stands for the positive Indian and the achievers in India. And this season is no different from what we have done different in many ways, yet it is very, very different. The difference comes on from the fact that in line with the changing times of each and every season that we bring out, this season particularly touches upon stories which are a lot with a prevalent theme in India, that is, looking at environment conservation, looking at, green tech and other things. You would see in this season quite a lot of those stories which are really, really, innovative, grassroots innovations done by scientists, technologists, literally getting water out of thin air as one of the stories. There is a lot of things. There is about recycling of plastic waste, another story. So all very, very inspirational, and all which might get positive, could possibly get lost in the 200 news channels, which is primarily covering a whole lot of politics and a whole lot of crime. But this show gives the breath of fresh air for content for achievers in India. And we are very happy, and equally very happy that a show like Krishna, and I was talking to my colleagues, 6 seasons, we haven't looked at anybody else. Because guess what? I mean, if anybody could pull it off, it's absolutely him. The individual passion that he brings to each and every season of ours is just a reflective about, what kind of audiences he's able to draw with his mass appeal. To give you a sense of the numbers, we have cumulatively on the 6 seasons, 2.5 billion impressions online for this show. Right? More than 1 billion minutes of consumption on YouTube alone. That's incredible. Right? And on television, whenever it premieres, the entire season is always the number 1 show, not only on History TV 18, but at most times in the entire genre as well. Right? So hats off to all the great work that the team is doing, the superb work content teams, all the researchers behind it, Krishna, Abhishek, and all the production houses which work with us for various seasons. Please give it up for all of them, for all the hard work. Thank you. Nothing more to add.
Thank you so much. That's it. That's incredible numbers. 2.5 billion impressions. That is something to behold and to be incredibly proud of, and a credit to all of you that are involved with the
The
show.
whole team, the whole team.
The whole team. You know, it's not, the whole package. But the next gentleman I'd like to introduce is obviously extremely close to us here on Karnika, with many, many years of experience within the cruise industry. Personally, I've known this gentleman for almost 20 years. He's been a mentor for me personally over the years, and he is the CEO and the president of Gillette Cruises. So without any further ado, please welcome Mr. Jürgen Wehler.
Shall we try without mic? Can you hear me?
You can just keep it like this.
All right.
It's not going to work, so you can.
It's a prop.
Well, thank you very much indeed, and welcome on board the beautiful Karnika. We see ourselves in Challenge Cruises as an extension of entertainment, and this is an extremely very proud moment for us to have you here, obviously.
Thank you, sir. It's our pleasure.
Present Hey Bhagwan. Oh my God.
Oh, हाँ, हे भगवान, हाँ. Oh my God. हे भगवान. Okay. इन्होंने शो को नया नाम दिया है, हे भगवान. ये क्या हो गया?
So we're extremely proud to be associated with you as a history channel, because we feel we are part of history in India with the first premium cruise line, and we could not imagine a better association.
Please correct the audio,
than
yeah.
association with you. So thank you so very
Thank you.
much.
It's our pleasure, sir. Thank you so much for having us here.
We are very
और आप लोगों ने यहाँ पे खाना खाया. सर ने एक चीज प्रॉमिस की थी, जो कि मैंने अभी एक छोटा सा वीडियो भी शूट किया, कि करने का दाल. आप लोगों ने करने का दाल खाई कि नहीं? जलेश करने का क्रूज की नहीं खाई? तो प्लीज जाके खाइए नीचे रेस्टोरेंट में. जो नहीं कह रहे हैं, fantastic, better than ITC. You're right.
It is.
Yeah, it is.
Love it.
Thank you very much.
Thank you, Jürgen. Thank you very much. Now, to deliver a very, very special note of thanks, we have the President Content and Communications A&E Network for TV 18. With a big round of applause, please welcome the Arun Thapa. Thank you, sir.
OMG, give it a microphone. Maybe.
He told me to give it.
Oh, I see. Jürgen, you do believe in entertainment, don't you? So I just want to thank all of you here. I know there were some delays, and our apologies for that. These were because of reasons that are way beyond our control, and I won't go into further details on why exactly. But I just want to say thank you very much, Jürgen. Thank you, James. Thank you, Karnika, for hosting us, and of course, thank you very much, Avinash. You have to thank the boss, of course, and Abhishek for being the star that he is, and being a constant source of energy for this show. Thank you for the crew, for the team that's putting this show together year after year, season after season. And I do promise we will get not just to season 7 and 8, but also to 9 and 10. As long as my boss doesn't take it from my salary. Thank you very much, all of you, for being here. I'd just like to request Avinash to unveil the official logo of the show. It's going to come up right over there. Right over there.
So, gentlemen, if we can just go either side. I see you.
I'm excited to see this. नया logo.